Hello guys, welcome to Mukund Detective. So this is my new rat trap. So here you can see there's a mouse already inside, and you can see I think it has tried to take out the food and make it more eatable for him. So this is the mouse, and that's the food right there. So what I've used paneer, cheese, and pakoda. Like the paneer was inside the pakoda, I made small pieces so I can put it on the front. So looking at here, that's the food right there, and actually it's made. This is made used by pedal. So this is a large size rat trap, meaning you can put rats that are up to 7 inches to 10 inches long, or even 12 inches. Usually in India, the rats are usually like 5 to 7 inches, and this one is a mouse, so it's much smaller than 7 inches and 4 inches also. So I don't really think this is 4 inches. So this is a front release guard where you can remove it to release the rat or put the food in there. And there's a stick to hold the door, and this is the pedal. Here's the door, and it is it is closed by a ratchet. So there's a ratchet, so it doesn't let the door release and make the mouse more vulnerable to escaping. So this trap is much better than the other human mouse trap. So this rat trap is named as the human mouse trap because it doesn't hurt the mouse. So that's it. And you can see at the front, this is very high quality. So that's the door. You have to like press on those locks and remove it from the front. Just put a little force, and there you go. You can see here there are five or six grills, and usually those rat traps that are really small, they actually only have five holes everywhere in the front, while this huge one that is large has only like five grills in the front. That means more air in it for the mouse to breathe. So you can see that it is good, and also the mouse is also having a great time eating there. It is being stationary because it's a little scared. So guys, that's it. Now I'll explain you how it works once I release the mouse. Thank you and stay tuned.
So guys, we have the mouse here and we are currently outside. So I'll let him in the bushes. Ready? So here. So guys, I have caught the mouse and it's right here. We'll release in the bushes. So this is what you have to do. You have to press this and there you go. And I think it should run away. There you go. So make sure to remove all the remaining food left. And there you go. So now we have successfully removed the mouse. Press this in like this, and there you go. We have successfully freed your mouse. So now let's go home and compare this to a grill type or a cage type. So guys, this is the two types of design. So you are looking here, this is the cage design that I told you before, and this is the new named as human rat trap design or mouse trap. So let's first look at this type. This is actually pretty common. If you go like offline and shop outside, and you might probably seen one of these. So this is how it works. You got a spring here, and this is the loading. This is the door mechanism. So it's just a spring lock mechanism. So what you do? This is the food. This is the bait hook. So you can put like anything, but except liquids, like you can put cheese, coconut, or anything. This I put here a small size of coconut, And this is how it works. So you put like this and you put it pretty close, and there you go. That's how it works. So it will hold like this. So now if the mouse comes or rat, it may try and push the food. So this is what happens. It immediately closes because it's by the spring tension that is filled with tension. Yeah, there are two flaws to this design. The number one flaw is this it allows the mouse to escape. Well, not really mouse. If it is a mouse, then it's not a problem. But if it is a rat, then it can easily escape by just pushing the door and running away. And the second flaw is this food, you can't put any liquids. You can only put solid things. Only cheese and coconut might work, or paneer. But any liquid like a butter or liquid cheese, nothing will work. Always, and if you try it will just drop. And the third flaw is this thing. If you actually like, you can just put the finger here, and actually the mouse can bite also, or any type of mouse can bite. So which is the reason why design is flawed and outdated now. Now comes here the second design, which is called the new human trap, because it actually doesn't hurt the mouse or the rat. So this is how it works. Here, if you just press this open, and you can just pull it out. And what here you can do is, you can put anything. For example, butter, paneer, pakoda, which I put, and here you can put. I have put a pakoda that has paneer inside it and some cheese. And you can first you put your bait or any food that mouse are attracted to. So take this note. Mostly mouses are attracted to cheese and paneer and butter. So these three you need to put this, or any kinds of vegetables. So once you put your food inside, any food, you close this up, and what you do, you here remove this clip off, and you put it in. So make sure it first test it. You can test it by pressing this. So that's how it should work. And if once you have tested, you know that it's working. So remove the clip, and that you go. So let me show you. It's like this. Remove this clip, and there you go. So now what happens when the mouse comes in? So the mouse will try and go inside for the food. Right? So when the mouse tries and go inside for the food, there's a latch here. So when the mouse presses this sensitive pedal that at least needs to take 10 grams to press it, or 0.2 ounce, it goes like this and it locks itself. You can see the clip hearing. You can hear the clip as it's pulled. And when the mouse tries to escape from the bag, it can't, because this is very hard to pull unless it's done by human. For a mouse, it's very hard to break. And even if they try to escape from the front, it's very hard because you have clips here. And you can see my mouse did try to escape. Let me focus it, because you can see some marks. That means the mouse that I have just released has tried to escape. But this thing hold is a well quality. And now let me tell you some advantages about this.
So guys, here are the advantages and disadvantages. So looking at the front of the mouse trap, you can see there are 5 grills. Let me show you. So here are the 5 grills, so the mouse can breathe easily. And also, like usually other rat traps, like the smaller version of this, have 5 holes in the front. In the transparent side, not in the front or back. In this one, there are 5 holes in the front, or grills, you can say. That means the mouse has more breathability. And also, looking at the pedal, this is an incredibly sensitive pedal. I mean, just a tap from a baby mouse can actually make trigger it and make the door lock. So that's how it is. And also comparing to the cage type, this is it's more safe because the mouse can also bite, and also it is also very high quality. Sometimes the cage can also get dent a lot, and the back door has a ratchet, so meaning the mouse cannot pull it out. Looking here, this is the bait place where you can put the bait food. Usually three combinations is better, like first cheese and butter or paneer. And then third is gonna be any food or vegetable your mouse is trying to eat. So for in this example, I had put pakoda with the paneer inside it. So that was a three combination, two combination inside a food. That's already has a one combination. So here it is. So unlike the rat cage, this cage type, the cage is very small, so big mouses cannot fit in there. But in this type of rat, this rat type that is called as the human mouse trap because it doesn't hurt the mouse. The these cage types can actually hurt the mouse because of its pin, spring, or anything. But these types are not that have any sharp things. So everything is just like curved from the inside, and you can already see some gray things in it. So those gray things are actually iron. Those are real iron. So it makes sure the mouse doesn't break anything. So in this case also, even the grill has it. Even the grill of that thing has it, meaning the mouse cannot break the front grill. And also it actually acts as a holding, because in my case the mouse actually tried to escape you by hitting the front. And also you can see there are already some marks before. So looking here, these are the two comparisons. So you can see that just hacks the foot while this actually uses foot pedal. And that's the cap of the where you can release the mouse. It usually has two things: releases the mouse or just keeping it food. And this is the back right here. You can see there's not much, but you can. It is also easy to repair, and this is incredibly sensitive pad. So you can see just a light touch can just make it. So guys, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe so don't miss out any new videos. Bye bye.